Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a delayed auto start flag could not be set, error code 87, the parameter is incorrect, or it might also be error code 5. So this typically will occur when you're attempting to set Windows service to automatic or delayed start mode on Windows, and you're experiencing this error message. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, regedit, best match, should come back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that we're ready to begin, you want to start by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for current control set, so double click on that. Same thing for services. Now locate whatever service you want to adjust in this list here that you're coming across this error message with. It could be any service here. So you just want to go down and locate it. We could say it's the Windows search service perhaps, but you might just have a little bit different one in your situation. So certainly possible. I'm going to go down to the W search service, and I'm going to go over to the right side here versus delayed auto start, double click on it, and I'm going to set it to 1 would be delayed auto start. 0 would set it to not delayed start. 1 would enable the delayed auto start feature, and then you would select OK. And then you want to double click on the corresponding start value down on this list. So go ahead and double click on it. The value of 2 is set to automatic, 3 corresponds to manual, and 4 will set it to disabled. So make your selection and select OK. And then once you're done, you will need to close out of the registry and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.